So guys, today has been the day 2 and it's been very hectic. The morning began with the regular routine, the entire breakfast.
It's a big twist. So actually we are too late to middle of the ocean.
What's up guys? Today is the day 2 and me and Rakshu are ready for the day 2 of our Maldives
Vlog.
vlog.
Come and check us. Come on.
So let's go. Guys, you can see Rakshu is all ready and she's coming down.
Well, everything can go to pieces. I don't care as long as you're there.
So this is day 2 in Mali. This is my favorite spot. I come here, swim for 2 minutes, and then go. Hey.
And you can see this beautiful little Rakshu. She's all set to go and
Explore the
swarm this island like bees.
Yes. So yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So yeah, you can find a lot of coconut trees. So guys, be careful whenever you're here in the island. Make sure the coconut doesn't fall on your head because it is a fatal injury. Happens a lot of. So going to scuba diving. I hope you're going today, right?
I'll see.
So whenever you're on this island, do check out scuba diving and check out how's the water, marine life over here. And best place for lazing around, for luxury. Anyways, my cameraman is busy just getting the camera on my face.
Yes.
Where we go to the ocean for the dive ocean. And a restaurant, Latitude Lounge, and Sushi Bar, who is interested in sushi. So you can see a lot of crabs over here. I'm not scared of crabs though.
Oh yeah? I'll show you the video. I'll show you the video of the crabs. And she was somewhere else. She was at a height and there were crabs down below and she was scared when there were no crabs on that height.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम था ये crabs. मैं बोला ना इससे चल के मैं चल गई. See the crabs. I am really scared.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. Let's take each other out. Let's take each other out. Let's take each other out.
Rakshu wanted to do a Titanic pose on this beautiful ship, but she cannot climb, so she is no longer interested.
Come and follow.
Okay, so we are following Rakshu again.
यहाँ पे नहीं तो इधर.
What are you expecting to do?
Take a photo.
Take photos? That is it?
चप्पल यहाँ पे छोड़ दो.
छोड़ दो. अंदर गिरना मत बस. That is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है, it is good. How is the water, Rakshu?
It's cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Let's take each other out. Bet you taste like chocolate. Bet you taste like chocolate. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me.
She was all set for the swimming pool session.
I'm so excited.
She's so excited. You can see her dancing
I just love swimming.
You just love swimming?
Because I don't know swimming.
So here is Rakshu locking. So the door is locked and now we move ahead.
I don't have to open this.
Rakshu,
Yeah.
move.
Moving.
उसको press करके ऊपर खींचो.
Okay, that's it.
See? The umbrella is open.
You can see my huge giant umbrella.
Yes, you can see the giant umbrella. That's Coco umbrella right there.
अबे तेरा भी अच्छा सा है, इतना धूप ही नहीं लग रहा है. मजा आ रहा है इसमें. इतना अच्छा छतरी है. कोको दिख रहा है? कोको बुदू हितू.
Coco Bodu Hithi दिख रहा है. So guys, she is enjoying. She is having fun with the umbrella. I don't know why the heck she has taken an umbrella when there is no sun over here.
Oh, it's too hot.
It is not.
I can't bear the hot because of some certain reasons.
What certain reasons?
Because my baby is getting tanned.
Your baby is in your tummy. How can she get tan?
She's getting enough of vitamin D. अब ज़्यादा हो गया उसको.
ज़्यादा हो गया उसको?
जाए को धूप लग रहा है साले. मेरे को जितना लगता है उसको भी लगेगा. पिंगी दिखना ना. Oh, so nice.
We'll have some swimming time in the swimming pool, in the public swimming pool. We do have a swimming pool in the villa, but however, the swimming pool which is there next to the restaurant is a huge one and it has got a good view, so we wanted to explore that today. So we did swim for a lot of time, then we went on for some photo shoot at the beach where we used a lot of sand and different attires for our photo shoot. So it has been a very fun day, and now we are sitting in the backyard and relaxing.
So this is the
guys,
backyard. You can just check.
You can see the backyard. Slowly I'll rotate it. You can slowly see the backyard.
Way for the beach, private access.
It has been a lovely day today, and surely we are going to show you the day 3 tomorrow, and in the evening we plan to go prior to the actual time which is there, so that we are able to occupy one of the best seats which has got an ocean view. You can also call it a deck, as Rakshu told you. So it has got a beautiful view of the ocean. You can sit. It is almost like a candlelight dinner sort. So today we are going to rush, and tonight's dinner will be the next in the sequence.
And
So
tomorrow morning, early morning, we are planning to. We're going to the water villa.
yes, we are
So
going
we're
to the water
shifting.
villa. Yes, we are
Yeah.
shifting to the water villa, Rakshu. So that's going to
super
be
excited.
fun. And
This or there?
this
यहाँ पे?
on the horizon. Yes, यहाँ पे कहीं भी बैठ सकते हैं.
Today we are gonna sit here.
Yes, so today we are gonna sit here and we are gonna see the sunset as well. So guys, Rakshu is right now filling the form for our floating breakfast which we were given in the reception yesterday, and she is going to tick on the menu. I don't know what she's selecting, but I hope whatever she selects is beautiful.
Oh.
So we are going to look at what all she's filling. Wait.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what.
Okay guys, so we are done with the breakfast menu for the 11th, and which we'll be having in the water villa. So we'll be doing that as a floating breakfast, and you are gonna get a glimpse of that also.
Tomorrow morning.
What it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. and you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time.
Planning for dinner, so just waiting for another couple of minutes. We'll go ahead and check out what's for dinner today. So what's cooking today?
You tell me.
That's a surprise.
It's like you tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off, when I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way.